Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, we'll show you how to change your download location in Windows 10. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so by default, everything you download goes into your Downloads folder on your main drive, which is usually the C drive. If your C drive is getting full or you just want your downloads to go to another drive automatically, you can change that. There are actually two main ways to do it. You can change the default Downloads folder location, or you can change it inside your browser. I'll show you both methods step by step. Alright, so first we're going to change the Downloads folder location inside Windows. Go down to your taskbar and click on the folder icon to open File Explorer. On the left side, find Downloads. Right-click on Downloads and then click Properties. A new window will open. At the top, click on the Location tab. Here, you will see the current path, which is usually something like C users your name downloads. To change it, click on Move. Now, go to the drive where you want your downloads to be saved. For example, if you have a D drive or an external drive, open that drive. You can either choose an existing folder or click on New Folder and create one called Downloads. Once you select the new folder, click Select Folder, then click Apply. Windows will ask if you want to move all existing files from the old Downloads folder to the new one. If you want everything moved, click Yes. If not, click No. After that, click OK. Now your default Downloads folder has been changed, and anything using the Windows default location will go there automatically. Alright, some browsers also have their own download location settings, so let's check that too. If you're using Google Chrome, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Click Settings, scroll down and click Advanced if you see it, then scroll down until you find the Downloads section. You'll see the current download location path. Click Change, then choose the folder where you want your downloads to go. After selecting it, close the Settings tab. Your new download location is now set. If you want Chrome to ask you every time where to save a file, turn on the option that says Ask where to save each file before downloading. And that's it. The steps are almost the same for other browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Opera, or Microsoft Edge, so you can follow the same method there as well. And that's it. That's how you change the download location in Windows 10. If you found this helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.